Yeehaw! Another segment from Pappy's Corner coming up. I'm gonna show you
Milwaukee Power Tools. Well, I can't find my glasses. And my cell phone's gone. All right, thanks for coming to the corner today. Awesome Milwaukee tool haul here coming at you. But first, stick around to the end because I got a Tuesday tidbit for you. Coming up, I've got
2767-20 M18 fuel 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench with friction ring. 2352-20 M18 LED light stick. 2680-20 M18 cordless 4.5 inch grinder.
And much more coming up. This box came with all of these tools. Came with this tool bag for under 500 bucks. But Pappy's son, he had a coupon for $50 off if you spent 250 bucks. So I used that. And part of this deal was, if you buy this, you got a Milwaukee 4.5 inch grinder free with a battery. So, for about $420, there's almost $1,000 worth of tools here if you were to go out and buy these individually. This right here, $399 by itself. So let's get to taking a look at these tools. Here's the Milwaukee 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench. Has over 200, I think 220 foot-pounds of torque. And it's got a protective rubber shock absorber that goes on here. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can't get this on. It fits nice and snug so it won't fall off. There we go. Okay, it's got setting here. Setting number 1. Number 2. And there's a torque setting. Reverse. And a light here. Check the battery, push that button. All 4 lights come on. Awesome. Okay, here is a 9-piece Shockwave 1/2 inch drive, thin wall, deep impact socket set. Plus an extension here for 1/2 inch drive. I like this case. Everything fits snugly. You have a little finger clearance here to pull out the sockets. Pull one out here. So you can take a look. 1/2 inch drive. 6-point. Awesome set. Hinge door. You can swing it back, close it, or you can swing it up. It'll stay open for you. So there you go. And here's the Milwaukee tool bag. Lots of room. All these tools will fit in here. And the charger. Oops, I guess that was the right direction. 2 lights here. This is for M12 and this is for the M18. So either battery will work in this charger, the green light comes on when they're fully charged, otherwise they're red while charging. Milwaukee 4.5 inch grinder. It's got a little different kind of switch here. It's a bar, but it's got a finger lever here. You push that, and then if you don't push that, safety. So you want to be careful you don't set it down like this and hit that switch, see? So I just kind of wonder how safe it really is, but kind of different. The handle that's on here, it can come off here to the left, or it can come out the top, or out the right side. Guard, little lever right here. Guard can come around. You can lock it in any position you want, about every 10 degrees around here, or 15 maybe. and it's really nice. Get that guard positioned where you want it. And of course you can check your battery, full charge. And here's the Milwaukee LED stick light. You can see it's got a loop here for hanging, and this loop actually comes out like so. So you can hang it, rotate it, or snap it back in. It's got like a high beam and then a lower beam. Also got a hook here. You can pull out of the handle and slide it down and it'll snap into position. You can hang it there. Okay, slide it up, snap it back in, and there it is. The Milwaukee LED stick light. Hey, I'd just like to thank you for coming to the corner today and checking out the Milwaukee tool haul. And I got the Tuesday tidbit coming up for you. Hey, thanks for sticking around for the Tuesday tidbit. You know, when I was a young lad growing up, I used to work on my uncle's farm in the summertime. And there's something I remember about farmers. There's only 3 lies that a farmer ever tells. And one is, I bought this hat. And the second one is, I didn't make any money last year. And the third lie is, well, I was just helping that sheep over the fence. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.